see the...
Fucking that bit one time and you gon' spoil it. They said 50 on me walking with a wop. Just got the 100 round stuff with some hot. I go buy 10 pints and you go buy a box. I go on my safe, I can count to tomorrow.
Right now we're... I can't hear you. Right now we're gonna see the depth of the retention ponds in Ellis Park. Because we're gonna tow the skimboards behind my dirt bike and do like a little tubing action.
Secret compartment, right?
All right, we're about to head out, round 2. This time Brennan's here. He's so happy right now. The good vibes are just beaming from him.
Oh my God. What are you doing, mate? Is this your girlfriend's house?
Yeah.
Can she say that she lives here so we have permission to be here?
Hey, we're towing it behind my dirt
Yeah,
bike.
we're towing it behind his dirt bike.
Yeah, yeah, just call me if anybody like says anything.
Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness!
That way, since you ride like this, you gotta lean like this. Otherwise, you're going straight into Dean White's grass crag right there, man. All right, probably gonna be straight bloopers, which we do. All right, work it. All right, let's go. Grab me.
It's on! It's on! It's on!
Oh, you got Craig.
I kind of have to vlog this. Oh shit, that came up. No! Dude, my thing just broke. That's terrible. I got the screwdriver to push it. I'm so hot in this thing, holy shit. What the freak is this? That took way longer than it should have.
Joseph Michael Flint. Fred Charles Fletcher. Nicholas Martini. Reese Michael Cannell. Grace Carol Oval.
Right now we're getting comfortable at Kmart, you know, just taking a little break. My recliner is right in the middle of the aisle. Just eating some Kool-Aid bursts and drinking some Three Musketeers. I love it, Lod. Alright, I have to give Jake a cold one.
No, I wanted a Three Musketeer.
The cold one? You go, Lod.
Thanks, mate.
I brought the chocolate and then the chips to the party, mate.